Walk up to me. Race day here, and we're off for final practice before it kicks off. It is very warm, but man and machine are ready to go. We're here with Felipe. Yo, he's ready to not do any malakias. What are you on? You're on the Tai.
Yeah, I'm in the Tai right now.
Beautiful.
With the extra weight here.
How much weight you got?
1 kilogram.
Ah, sick.
Yeah.
I've got, I think I got 700 grams.
You?
Yeah.
Sick.
Down there.
But that one is aluminum, no?
Aluminium, yes, so it's a bit heavier.
This is carbon. Maybe a quick difference in the weight. I don't know.
We'll see. What pressures are you running?
Right now I use the 26 at the front and 28 at the rear.
Sick. Yeah, I was like 25, 30 yesterday. 25, 30. I carved up the first jump. The front tire rolled. It spat me.
When you land?
Yeah, no, it spat me off the takeoff. I went to carve and it went what? And I nearly transferred myself off the track. So I've gone 30, 32 today.
Great.
Fantastic. Right, best of luck.
You too, man.
Cheers, mate. It's the locals. You got any words of advice? Great update, thank you. Vámonos. This was my first run on race day. The plan was to have a solid lap, tick all my lines off from Saturday's practice, and then push up and session the jumps to try and apply some more speed, because the way the jumps are, they're like built so the guys can do tricks on them and we can sort of race them as well, so it's a bit of a compromise for both parties. But yeah, anyhow, got to the bottom of the lap. It was a solid practice run, but yeah, got to the bottom and we were straight up for qualifying, so did not get time to try and race into the jumps, as you shall see later in the video. Yeah, another crucial corner on the track, that one there. You come off them double step downs dead quick, it's slick as you break into that left. Slab it. Had a little bit of a whoopsie there in race runs. Yeah, not the gnarliest track, but super fun to ride. Short and sweet. BSI guys did a mega job putting it together. 40-degree heat. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just cruising, sat down, no pedals, and you get these things shell as. But in racing, you're sprinting at them, and you've got to sort of judge how much to brake, which gets a bit sketchy. Practice done. Free riders about to drop in for their free ride train. Get it! Yay! Yeah, boys. Bash. And we are straight into qualifying. The locals are up here. Excited? Yes, brother. Sick.
10 segundos.
Pedro Ferreira. Go.
Moderately satisfied with my seeding run / qualifying run. That little inside at the top was working a treat. Felt like I pedalled hard. I just got a bit sketchy in these stairs here. I dropped my left foot. Not sure why that was been cut out there, but there you go. Yeah, I come unclipped on that tight stair set, which was a bit sketchy, but apart from that, all good. Got to the finish line safe and sound. Let's go to the bottom here. Qualifying, it was good. A little bit messy at the top, but I think it was okay.
Thank you.
Seguramente le van a tener que
I've got the times from qualifying. P5. Nice. Muchas gracias.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ok, va a salir Phil Atwill con el número 9 en 3, 2, 1.
Finals run, not much to report. I knew I had a second or two, maybe 3 in the bag from qualifying, so I cracked on, pushed hard, and to be honest, put down a solid run. Maybe could have took a few more chances, and definitely lost a bit of time missing the landings at the bottom, which you shall see if you continue watching. But all in all, can't grumble.
Para nuestro amigo Phil, desde Grecia, haciendo y cerrando con ese backflip su bajada.
Survive!
En Reino Unido, pero residente en Grecia.
Oh, fuck it! Survive! Time for some beer! It's a helicopter, mate! Helicopter. Well. Fuck up there, go on.
It's gonna collapse. It's not meant for this many people, Phil. It's not meant for I want to get up there.
Race, and now we're dropping into the most dangerous part of the activity. Huh? Yeah, let's get back to the hotel, have a shower, and then potentially sip on 2 or 3 beverages.